Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the VAN84 error in Valorant. This error usually appears when the VGC, Riot Vanguard, service isn't running correctly or isn't set to start automatically. Just follow these steps, and you'll be able to launch Valorant again without any issues. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu, type Run, and open the Run dialog. Now type services.msc and click OK. When the services window opens, click anywhere in the list and press the V key on your keyboard until you find the VGC service. Double-click VGC to open its properties. Under Startup Type, select Automatic. If the service is stopped, click Start. Then click Apply, followed by OK. Next, open the Start menu again, type System Configuration, and open it. Go to the Services tab. At the bottom of the window, check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. Click anywhere in the services list and press the V key until you locate VGC. Make sure the checkbox next to VGC is enabled. If it isn't, check it. Now click Apply, then OK. Windows will ask you to restart your computer. Click Restart. Once your PC has restarted, launch Valorant again. The VAN84 error should now be fixed, and the game should start normally. And that's it. Your VGC service should now be running properly, allowing Valorant to launch without showing the VAN84 error. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Valorant fixes, Riot Games tutorials, and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.